Hello everyone, I'm Don with Fix This House, and as we get ready to do the floors in here, I have to take care of some preparation work, which would be removing this old heater vent duct or outlet or whatever it is. It's raised up higher than the floor, so we won't be able to put the new flooring on top of it. So I have to remove that and patch it up, plug it up. So I'm going to show you how I did that, and I've already taken the cover off. And below that was this piece here. I guess these used to open up for something, for airflow or something. So I'm left with this 8.25 inch diameter hole. So I'm going to make cut a piece of plywood to fit there. We'll fasten it into the floor. And then I'm going to use some wood filler, some wood putty to just kind of level it out and smooth and fill in the holes. And I think that will make a good patch for us. So I'm already, if you want to follow me out to the workbench where I'm getting ready to cut the lumber, I've traced out that 8.25 inch circle right here. Also going to make a couple of straight pieces to support it and screw them in from underneath. So I got a circular saw for my straight cuts, jigsaw for my the circle, the angle that cuts around the circle. So let me take care of that, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how we're going to install it. So I'm doing all of the work from up top. I don't really have to access it from beneath. So I cut my two support boards, and these clamps are holding them in place. I drilled some pilot holes. And now I'm going to screw it down with these 1 3/4 inch and 5/8 general purpose screws. My battery holds up. It sounds like it's dying. That's there. Okay, move these out of the way. So those two boards, done with that guy, should hold this up in place. Looks like it's going to be a little too big.
Can you flip it? If you flip it, would it work?
Maybe. Alright, so I'll have to shave this down so that I can get it to fit in. I used this as my template, but maybe tracing from the outside of this has resulted in the plug being just a little too large for the
right
hole.
here. I'll just whack it down with a hammer.
It's close to whack, but I think it's a little too big right here. I think if I just trim this edge here, I'll do that. I'll do that and come back.
Very good.
So flashes on, that's good. Alright, so I've got the patch in there, screwed it down, and there's some unevenness here that may or may not be perceptible when we put the vinyl flooring on top of it. So I want to use Durham's Rock Hard Water Putty, which is a very inexpensive and very, very good product. I really like it, and I made a nice thin batch of it that I'm going to try to put here and let it fill in some of these holes. Here's a very uneven spot that I want to try to just fill that in, and hopefully that will dry to a smoother.
Does it dry fast?
It doesn't dry that fast.
Like in a day?
Especially if you, yeah, it's 24 hours maybe. Especially if you put it on heavily. I don't know if that's enough or too much, so let's just give it a shot.
Doing it right.
And the part that I was most concerned about is here where the boards are actually have sunk in a little bit there.
think it's really gonna take like 24 hours for it to dry.
This spot probably, some of these other spots maybe not. Plus the fact that I made it nice and wet.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll stop us. It's the far opposite end of the floor where we'll be starting.
Yeah.
So.
Do you know what the mix ratio is?
It might say on the side of the can, but I've used this many times and I just wing it till I have a consistency that feels good to me. Now I made this consistency much thinner than I have for other applications.
It says 3 parts powder to 1 part water by weight.
I got some on the wall. How big?
That's okay. I'm gonna put some nice baseboard. That looks pretty good.
All right, I think I probably got too much on there now.
Can't hurt.
Well, it can hurt if I make a bump.
Yeah, true.
We're not trying for bumps, we're trying for something level and smooth. That's the whole point of this. So I don't want to create bumps. That will be impossible to sand down. And again, no one's ever going to see it.
Until they rip up the flooring.
All right, I'm going to use a
Work.
wet rag to clean up the perimeter where I've slopped it around, where I don't need it. The places where I have it, it's good, and that'll dry hard and be perfect under our new floor. Thanks for watching, everybody. Clean it up.
All right. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and the thumbs up button. Or the thumbs down, but let us know why you don't like the video.
Of course they're going to like it.
Of course they'll like it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.